Today, inshallah, يا جماعة, we have an easy lesson. It's called probability. Firstly, when you make any experiment, any activity, you have a result. This result is called outcome. Outcome. The set of outcomes is called sample space. Sample space. Sample space is the set of all possible outcomes of any experiment. All possible results of any experiment are called sample space. Firstly, you must know the events in our life, three types. Certain means sure. Example for it, the sun will rise tomorrow. This something sure will do inshallah. Impossible. The second, impossible. Example, there is a cat with 3 heads. طبعا there is no cats with 3 heads. It's impossible. And the third type of events, possible. Example, I'll go to school tomorrow. Maybe I'll go or not. This possible. Where the three types of events are certain, impossible, and possible. And the possible are two types, likely and unlikely. Likely is close to 1 and unlikely is close to 0. It is near to 1 and here near to 0. There's something very important in this lesson, how we can find the probability of any event. The probability of any event is the number of elements of this event over the total number of elements. What's the meaning of this, يا جماعة? I'll give you an easy example to know. A bag has 10 balls. 10 balls. This is the total number of balls we have. It's 10. 7 of them green and 3 red. 7 of them green and 3 red. If I want to find the probability of green, what you will do? We will put number of green balls over the total number of balls. How many green balls we have? We have 7. Out of the total 10, it will be 7 over 10. And this likely because it's near to 1, because here it's more than half. Probability of red. How many red balls? We have 3 red balls over the total number of balls. It will be 3 out of 10. 3 out of 10. يا جماعة, to find the probability, we write the number of something I want to find its probability over the total number. And this unlikely because here it is less than the half. It's near to 0. Probability of white. How many white balls here? We don't have white. There is no white balls here. It will be 0 because you don't have white over 10. And 0 over any number equals 0. This impossible because here we don't have white. It's impossible to take a white ball from this box. Probability of a ball. How many balls we have? We have 10. 10 balls. 10 out of the total, يعني 10 out of 10. طبعا any number over itself equals 1 as this example for the certain. يبقى يا جماعة, to find the probability of any event, what you will do, write the number of elements of this event over the total number. طيب, concentrate كده. In our sheet, firstly, this is the meaning of outcomes as we said. This is the results of an experiment. The event is one outcome or set of outcomes. Mathematical probability, this is the number of favorable outcomes compared to the number of possible outcomes. How we can find it? We write the number of the elements of the event over the total number. طيب, for example يا جماعة, this spinner. How many parts in the spinner? How many Parts in all. Count with me.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The total number of parts is 6. This will be the denominator. This will be the denominator. طيب. Green. I want to find the probability of green. Huh. How many green parts here? How many green parts? 1, 2. We have 2 green. We have 2 green. This will be the numerator. It will be 2 out of the total. 2 out of 6. Only. طيب. Yellow. How many yellow parts? How many yellow parts يا شباب؟
1.
1. It will be 1 out of the total number 6. 1 out of 6. طيب. The next one, C. Not red. How many parts here not red? Who can tell me how many parts not red? ها Hey عبد الرحمن. عبد الرحمن.
5.
How many parts not red?
4.
4.
4.
We have 4 parts not red. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts not red. It will be 4 out of the total number, as we said, 6. طيب. Purple. How many purple parts here? يلا يا ريم. Be quiet please. ريم. How many purple? How many purple parts here?
0.
You have purple parts?
0 out of 6.
Yes, we don't have purple here يا شباب. It will be 0 out of 6. And we said 0 over any number equals a 0. Equals 0. طيب. Blue or green. The word or يا شباب. The word or means plus. Means plus. يعني both of them. How many blue and green? Or here means plus. Yes يا يلا يا حمزة. How many blue and green in the spinner?
Blue out of green.
How many blue and green parts? Blue and green parts. Both of them.
3 out of 6.
Yes, we have 3 because we have 2 green and 1 blue. It will be 3 out of 6. Is it easy يا شباب؟ طيب. Exercise number 2. Look at the bag marbles. We have bag marbles. How many marbles in all? This is the total number of marbles. We must count them firstly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. يبقى the total number of marbles will be 12. This will be the denominator. طيب. The first one. Write the probability of each of the following. A. Marble that is not blue. Not blue. Yes يا فريدة. How many marbles here not blue?
Not blue.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good. We have 8 marbles not blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this will be 8
out of 12.
of 12. Yes. 8 out of 12. طيب. B. Blue marble. How many blue marbles? يلا يا إياد تامر. How many blue marbles? إياد. إياد تامر. طيب. يا جمانة. How many blue marbles?
1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
We have 4. It will be
4
4
out of 12.
out of 12. طيب, thank you يا جمان. محمد
No.
إبراهيم. Huh? Probability of green marble. How many green marbles you have here?
Green marbles?
Yes. How many green marbles here? Huh?
Mister, in this bag?
Yes, in this bag. Yes, sure. How many green?
Mister, the green marble, the letter stands for what?
G. Sure, yeah, green. G. Huh?
0.
0. There is no green here. It
Yes.
will be 0 out of the total number 12.
12.
And we said
0 out of 12.
0. 0 out of any number equals 0.
0.
So it means divide. طيب.
Yes.
The next one, thank you, Muhammad. يا فرح. Red, blue, or yellow. As we said here, it means all red, blue, or yellow. The 3 types of marbles. Huh?
12 out of 12.
Yes, very good. All of them. All of them. We have 12 red, blue, and yellow. It will be 12 out of 12. All of them. 12 out of 12 means or equals 1. Any number over itself يا شباب equals 1. Malak, not yellow.
Yes.
Not yellow. How many marbles here? Their color not yellow.
11.
Sure? Count again.
No, sorry. 10.
10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 marbles, not yellow. It will be 10 out of the total number 12. طيب, thank you. Rujmini,
Yeah.
orange marble. How many orange marbles in this bag?
0 out of 12.
Yes, there is no orange here. It will be 0 out of the total number 12, and 0 over any number, as we said, equals 0. Thank you, Rujmini. Okay, يا شباب. Exercise number 3. Look at a spinner. We have this spinner. Firstly, how many total parts? We must count the total number of parts here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 parts. This is the total number. This will be the denominator. First, يا جماعة, you must know how many parts in all. This will be the denominator. Now, the first one in the probability. Adito.
It will
5.
be
5. How many 5s you have? How many 5s?
1.
1. Only 1. This will be 1 out of the total number
5.
5. It will be 1 out of 5. Thank you. Okay. إياد عادل.
Yes.
Yes, إياد. An odd number. How many odd numbers you have in this spinner? Odd number. You know the odd numbers? Odd. start from 1 and skip number. يعني you have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on. They are the odd numbers. How many odd numbers you have in this spinner?
2.
طيب, what is the odd numbers here? Tell me.
1.
1,
1
and
and 5.
5 only? And 3. 3, 1, 3, and 5. We have 3 odd numbers here. And this will be 3 out of the total number, 3 out of 5. طيب. The next يا شباب. Yes يا ملك.
Mister,
Yes يا ملك.
what is the odd numbers?
You don't have the odd and the even. You took it in grade 1 يا ملك. Okay يا شباب. Concentrate يا جماعة. The even number, firstly, listen. The even number is the number. Its ones is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, its once is one of these. Listen يا حبيبي بقى. Listen. 0, 2, 4, 6. يا ملك wait please. طب please يا جماعة. Wait. After I finish you can ask. The even number again. It's the number, it's once digit one of these. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. This is the even. And the odd number is the number, it's once digit one of these numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. These are odd numbers. يبقى هنا يا جماعة, how many odd numbers? We have 1, 3, and 5. We have 3 odd numbers. Then the probability will be 3 out of 5, out of the total number. طيب, C. Number, probability of 6. How many 6s we have يا جيدة? 6.
How many 6 we have?
Yes.
0.
0. There's no 6 here. It will be 0.
0 out of 10.
Out of
5.
Out of 5, and 0 out of any number equals 0. Okay.
0.
طيب. Even number. Jana, how many even numbers we have in the spinner? Jana?
Yes.
Yes, yeah, Jana. How many even numbers in this spinner?
2.
2. 2 and 4. 2 and 4 are even. Then it will be 2 out of the total number, 2 out of 5. 2 out of 5. Okay, Muaz.
Yes.
Yes, yeah, Muaz. E. Number greater than 6.
0.
How many numbers here greater than 6?
0.
There is no. It will be 0 out of 5, out of the total number, 5. 0 out of 5 equals 0. Okay يا حبيبي. طيب, the next one. طاهر. يا طاهر.
Yes.
Yes, يا طاهر. Number less than 6. How many numbers less than 6 in this spinner?
5.
All of them. We have 5 numbers less than 6. It will be 5
out of 5.
out of 5. And any number over itself equals 1. any number over itself equals 1. It will be 5 over 5 equals 1. Thank you يا طاهر. طيب number 4 يا جماعة. Look at this spinner and find the probability of each event. Firstly, the total number of parts we have. How many parts we have in this
8.
spinner? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 parts. This is the total number. طيب وهبة.
Yes.
How many red parts in this spinner?
3 out of 8.
Yes, we have 3 red. 1, 2, 3. It will be 3 out of, sorry, 3 out of 8 over the total number. Thank you, Yahba. Not green. Not green. يلا ريم. Not green. يا ريم.
6 out of
Yes.
6 out of 8.
We have 6 parts here not green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will be 6 out of the total number 8. Okay. C. Red or blue, and we said word or means both of them, means plus. Pilar.
Yes, Mister.
Yes, Pilar. How many red and blue parts in this spinner? Red and blue, both of them.
4.
4. We have 3 red and 1 blue. It will be 4 out of the total number of parts, 4 out of 8. Okay. Yellow. Yellow.
So can I answer?
Okay, Bassif. Huh? Yellow. How many yellow parts?
1 out of 8.
Yes, we have 1 part yellow. It will be 1 out of the total number 8. Yusuf. Yusuf.
Yes.
Yes, yeah, Yusuf. Purple or green? Both of them. Purple or green? How many purple and green in this spinner?
Purple and
Sorry?
3 out of 8.
Yes, because we have 1 purple here and 2 green. It will be 3 out of the total number 8. Okay. 3 out of 8. White. What is the probability of white? Yeah. Aysel. Aysel. Yeah, Aysel. Aysel. No, Aysel. طيب. يلا طاهر.
Yes.
Yes. White.
0 out of 8.
There is no white here يا جماعة. It will be 0 out of 8 and 0 over any number equals 0.
0.
This our lesson يا جماعة. I think it's very easy. Find probability. We write the number of the event we want over the total number. Okay شباب. Any question يا جماعة?
There is a homework.
No homework today, inshallah, because tomorrow you have another exercise about this lesson and you have homework today, tomorrow, inshallah. Okay, يا حبايبي. السلام عليكم.
السلام عليكم.